Today we'll be cleaning an NES Nintendo cartridge. As you can see, this one's got markings on it. Everything you'll need is the game, rubbing alcohol, Q-tip, all-purpose cleaner, and a magic eraser. This one has seen better days, but it'll do. First, what you want to do is take the all-purpose cleaner and just spray it directly on the markings or whichever one you want to clean, and let it sit for 5 minutes. After you've let it sit, just take the magic eraser and gently scrub. If your game's not playing right away, it might be because the motherboard is dirty. So now we're going to show you how to clean just with Q-tip and rubbing alcohol, and water even works. First, just take the Q-tip and the rubbing alcohol and just soak the Q-tip with the rubbing alcohol. And then take the Q-tip, just rub it along the motherboard like so. Now you have your nice, clean Tetris NES game ready to play.